Hey, so is Helium 10 worth it? This is a question that I've seen, and yes, let me tell you why is it worth it, and maybe why it's not worth it, and maybe for you it will be worth it, maybe not. So please watch the video fully, I'll explain. First, it's a legit tool for Amazon selling, for Amazon sellers. It's a software for Amazon sellers. It is worth it if you can put it to use that will make you more money. Think about it. Like if you can use the software in order eventually to make more as a user, and it's up to you, of course, then the software is worth it. So does it give you the tools that you need? Well, you need to know what you need as an Amazon seller. For example, if you need product research tools, then Helium 10 can provide you with such, with the Chrome extension or black box tool. So maybe you need keyword research. Then again, Helium 10 has these tools for you. In the description, I'm going to have a playlist of over 100 tutorials for Helium 10 for you that show you how to use different parts of Helium 10. Also, the free trial and account of Helium 10 is in the description, plus the best discount codes for saving big on Helium 10. Yeah, again, it's worth it if you know what to do with it. Also, if you're just a beginner, then it is worth it because they have education for you. And there's a Freedom Ticket course by Helium 10 and Kevin King, which is an Amazon seller. In this course, you'll see how to sell on Amazon, like pretty much from A to Z. And you can start with the cheapest plan of Helium 10. I'm going to leave the pricing page in the description, by the way, too, so you can see different plans. But the cheapest is starter plan, $39 per month. It grants you access to this course. So it's an A to Z course. So kind of you can invest in a course like one-time investment. For example, Jungle Scout has Freedom Builder Bootcamp course. It's like $999. Also, I can leave you my review of this course in the description. But with Helium 10, you can use Freedom Ticket, which is similar course, kind of A to Z private label for $39 a month. So you get the software and you get the course. So is it worth it? Well, sounds like it, right? Like it's pretty nice price. Yeah, and the course is good. I have a review of Freedom Ticket as well in the description if you want to watch. Now, of course, there are more bigger plans like Platinum and Diamond for Helium 10, which will allow you to kind of do more advanced things like find products, keywords for your product, like find keywords for your products, listing optimization, bunch of other stuff. Helium 10 can definitely help you with that. It is worth it. It's a legit tool that I've been using since like 2017 as a seller. Now, it's not worth it for those who are not going to use it. Like if you're just going to pay the money, whatever it is, like starter plan, which is $39, or the platinum plan, which is $99, or the diamond, which is $279. Again, prices might change, and with the discounts, you'll be able to save like at least 10% on that with the codes in the description and the link. If you're not going to put it to any usage, then it's not worth it. And if you also need specific tools, and Helium 10 does have them, but you don't need all the suite of tools, then you might consider finding other tools. I'll explain to you. So for example, pretty much Helium 10 can give you everything. So you can do product research, keyword tracking there, all this, like everything like it does for you. Now, it's a bit pricey compared to some other programs. Now, let's say if you only need profit analytics, I would recommend you Sellerboard. And Sellerboard, I have a video also, Sellerboard vs Helium 10. Like I compare them pretty much, but Sellerboard is not for product research, not for keyword research, it's for profit analytics. So you can use profit analytics by Helium 10 and it's decent, it works, but then Sellerboard is a tool that mostly kind of laser focuses on profit analytics. Helium 10 has many different tools. I'm not saying that Helium 10 necessarily has a worth or better tool than Sellerboard, but just Sellerboard, it's their specification. They do like inventory management and profit analytics. So, and I've been using Sellerboard for a while. I'll leave you the review of Sellerboard in the description and the 2 free month trial for this tool. By the way, these links are going to be affiliate links, means that if you ever do business with Helium 10 or Sellerboard, I'm going to get a little commission from that. No extra cost to you, but in this way you can support my free content here. And I really appreciate that. Over 600, probably 20, 30 videos at this point, maybe 50 for you to enjoy. And there's a blog at vovaevan.com with over 200 posts. So check it out. So yeah, again, Helium 10, is it worth it? And again, yes, if you need some specific tools, if you know you can kind of make more money. Now, of course, it's up to you if you will make more money or not, but you can at least see, okay, so if I'll find this product and I'm going to do, through Helium 10, for example, and I'm going to do, some profit on this product, then the software will kind of pay for itself and then some, right? It's not the software that creates you the profit. It's just like someone that guides you. It's pretty much, someone that tells you, hey, this product is good or this one is not. The software that shows you numbers, you need to know how to read the numbers. So again, if you don't know how to read the numbers, then it's not good for you. That's why they provide you the education, Freedom Ticket course, so you can understand what you're looking at. So kind of to sum this video up, is Helium 10 worth it? Yes. It's not worth it if you are not going to use it, or if you're not going to learn how to use it. So for both of these, there's solutions. How to use it by learning from myself. There's a playlist tutorial here also for you, and also use Helium 10. There's the Freedom Ticket course, and then use it, actually do something with that. Keep going, keep growing, keep learning, and you will be definitely well with Helium 10. So here's the playlist, and here's the free trial and discounts as well here. Good luck to you, and enjoy life, and good luck. Yeah, again. Bye-bye.